the Enhancing Public Safety in the Interior of the United States executive order issued on January 25 by President Donald Trump, which outlines the administration's intent to limit funding for so-called sanctuary cities and take on countries that refuse to accept return of their nationals ordered deported from the United States, is beginning to have an impact on Jamaica, where, following last week's deportation of 75 individuals from an airport in Louisiana back to Jamaican soil on Thursday, questions have been raised as to whether that indicates an acceleration in the average return of unauthorized citizens. CVM News has uncovered that more than 45,000 Jamaicans were deported from abroad between 2000 and 2014, 49% of whom last resided in the United States. Between fiscal years 2003 to 2013, 17,314 Jamaican nationals were removed from the United States, according to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, an average of 1,701 a year, or of 144 a month. Between 2010 and 2014, based on Migration Policy Institute MPI estimates, there were over 69,000 unauthorized Jamaican citizens living in the United States. This interactive map shows the top states and countries of residence for unauthorized Jamaican immigrants and the areas in which they are most concentrated, namely Florida and New York. The question is whether or not the Trump administration's intention to improve internal security will result in a similar doubling as was seen under former Presidents Bill Clinton and George W. Bush, and how the Jamaican government will handle the potential repatriation of 69,000 to its shores. Joel Crosskill, CVM News.